Today I am going to be doing the tutorial for Retro Sparkle Designs, the brand new Delaney romper top and dress. I started cutting with my projector. I did my 2 lining pieces for the bodice, front and back. I then moved on to my main pieces, which for this pattern is 3 separate pieces for both front and back. I used the yellow fabric for the sides and the floral fabric for the center for some contrast. After cutting out my bodice pieces, I used the lining fabric for my straps as well, and then I cut out the 2 skirt pieces in the floral. Now I display all of the pieces that we need for this project. We have our front center, our front 2 side pieces, our main back and our main front. We have our back side pieces and our back center. We have our 4 straps and our 2 skirt pieces. To start off sewing, we have our 4 strap pieces. You're going to fold the strap pieces right sides together, sewing the end first. After the end is closed, you're going to sew down the length of the strap, leaving the bottom open. After sewing the strap completely, I used my crochet hook to flip the strap right side out. Once the strap is completely flipped right side out, you're going to proceed to do the same thing for all 3 straps. So here are the 4 straps completed. Next we will move on to the bodices. Here is my main center. I'm going to take my main front center and my main side piece and clip them together like this. And same for my other side piece. I will clip it together. Once they're fully clipped together, I'm going to sew down both of those sides and repeat the process for the back main bodice. Now that we have our main front and our main back bodice pieces put together, we're going to take our straps and put 1 strap per shoulder, sandwiching them between the lining and the main fabric, making sure that right sides are together. Clip your shoulder first, then go down the arm side seams, and then clip your neckline. Start sewing together the main and the lining bodices, enclosing the straps first. Sew along the shoulder pieces. After they're closed, you will sew along the arm side seams and the neckline. Now that we've enclosed the straps, we will pull the straps and the bodice right side out for both the front and the back. Once we flipped them right side out, we can put our front bodice on top of our back bodice, right sides together. We will be attaching the side seams to complete our bodice. Making sure that you have your main front and your main back touching, right sides together, clip up the side. Make sure you clip the seam in the center, and then make sure your lining pieces are right sides together. We're going to sew lengthwise on both sides. Once our side seams are sewn together, the bodice is complete. I'm going to flip my bodice right side out and put it aside while I work on the skirt. Here is the front and back pieces of my skirt. I'm going to put them right sides together and sew down the sides. Once the skirt is sewn together, we need to gather enough that the bodice will fit evenly into the skirt. Here's our gathered skirt and our bodice. We're going to take our bodice and put it right side together inside of our skirt. I like to clip at least 4 times while sewing the gathered skirt to the bodice. Once we sew the skirt to the bodice, you'll pull it right side out like this, and then hem around the bottom. After hemming, you're all done, and you get to enjoy your finished product.